Hey, if you are returning, as always, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to the family, guys. Today we're going to be doing this tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I do this cartoon comic pop art nail design. It's trending right now, guys, so we're just going to go in and start. Guys, I'm not going to talk too much throughout this tutorial. I'm just going to let you see what I'm doing. It's pretty much self-explanatory, so sit back and enjoy. And don't forget to turn on your notifications, subscribe, share, like this video, and tell everybody about it, okay? Because I'm going to be dropping loads of gems on this channel. We're going to be learning how to do a lot, okay? Right, guys, so all I'm doing is literally just using the lighter color first to paint the nails, and on these nails I'm using the Modelones color cube. So yeah, you just go in with the lighter color first, and then you'll see throughout the tutorial the next steps. And I'm using the yellow from Bonfire Armour, and that's the name of the collection from that cube. The second cube that I'll be using in this one is called Craziest Jelly Bean. I absolutely love that name. Oh my gosh, it's so adventurous. But yeah, so those are the two cubes that I'm working from. And to complete these sets, guys, you can use any colors that you want. Just use the lighter color as the base and the darker color for the corner if you want to do that. If not, you can literally just use one color, do your outline, and then do your lines. So guys, I bought these nail liners, gel nail art liners, and they're very pigmented, really nice. However, God, using them is a absolute struggle. I don't know what the problem is, but too much of the gel paint actually goes to the top bit, not where the nail brush is, but the top bit of it, and then it keeps leaking down, and literally every couple of seconds I will have to like basically scrape off the excess gel before it goes onto the brush. At one point some actually leaked onto my table. It just gets so messy. I'm definitely gonna like let them stay upright, settle, and then try to use them again and probably do some sort of review on them, because like I said, the brushes themselves are really nice, the actual product is really nice and pigmented. It's just an absolute struggle because the paint keeps literally dripping down, and yeah, it just gets it gets too much. But I did crop that out so you guys didn't have the painful experience of watching me struggle, literally struggle. But yeah, other than that, like, they're actually good, so I will link them below, and yeah, I'll try and use them again after they've settled and see how it goes. And just as I thought, I was getting settled with these paints. Did this brush not just drip all over? So guys, you see what I was struggling with, and yeah, I wasn't paying attention because I was doing the detailing work, but literally every couple of seconds I had to be scraping off the main bit of the brush that holds in the bristles and stuff. So yeah, guys, that's the struggle that I was dealing with. I'm just hopefully putting it down to it obviously being in transit. It's been upside down for all this time, and there's paint settled in the top, so you know, it just needed to relax itself and settle down. So I've had them up right now, so hopefully they've all settled, and I'm going to try and use them again and see how it goes. loves, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, hopefully you found this tutorial very useful and your nails come out looking as excellent as these. If you did your own, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. See you guys soon. Bye.